As box keeper for your school system, you are part of the Biology in a Box team. Today, I am here to provide suggestions and answer frequently asked questions that may assist you in your duties. As a box keeper, you should conduct guidelines that work best for your school system, as well as increase awareness for the availability of biology in a box for teachers and students. You will be responsible for the frequency of pickups and drop-offs of units requested by teachers, as you will also be encouraged to pursue an efficient way to best conduct these distributions and returns. You will be responsible for keeping track of the materials in each unit, as you will also be responsible for communicating with the Biology in a Box team if there are any needs for updates or replacements of materials. Any missing or damaged material should be noted by the teacher and thus reported to the box keeper. Your job is to relay this information to the Biology in a Box team at the email shown above. Details regarding the usage of a Biology in a Box unit should be recorded in an annual report, which can be found in the link above. Collection of this information helps us assess the impact our program has, as well as allowing us to better understand what we can do to make our system more proficient. We also ask that you advertise the availability of Biology in a Box units in your system. We want to reach as many students as possible, and we need your help. Providing information on the availability of particular units is the box keeper's job. Teachers can contact the box user by using the link above to find the contact information that they need. Be quick and efficient with getting back to your teachers. We also suggest that you conduct periodic in-services within your system. It's a great way to keep teachers in your system updated. Sign-in sheets can be found at the web address listed above. Last but not least, we ask that you keep the Biology in a Box team updated on any changes regarding the box keeper. Contact the Biology in a Box team at the email listed above if your contact information or status as a box keeper changes in any way. I hope these suggestions and provided materials help make your experience with Biology in a Box team well worthwhile. For a more detailed layout of the proposals, please visit the website above and look under the Box Keeper Forms and Resources tab, where you'll find a Biology in a Box guide for the box keepers and requesting teachers. Well, that's it, and good luck to you all.